How to tighten a belt on a snapper mower. For your snapper mower to work correctly, some routine maintenance is a must. One of the more common maintenance tasks is tightening a loose belt. A loose belt can cause your snapper mower to malfunction and can even damage the mower. Fortunately, it's super easy to tighten a belt on a snapper mower. Grab a standard wrench or a pair of pliers, and you'll be finished tightening the belt on your snapper mower in about 10 minutes. Things you will need: wrench or pliers. For safety, disconnect the wire that connects the spark plug. Loosen the clamp bolts on the main frame tube with a wrench or a pair of pliers. Adjust the tension of the mower deck drive belt by shortening or lengthening the location of the main frame tube inside the clamps. Tighten the clamp bolts back to their original positions using a wrench or a pair of pliers. Reconnect the spark plug wire.